Namaste students, welcome to our social class. This is your Vijayalakshmi teacher with a new blog and a new topic. In the previous chapter, we learnt all about the forests, how to protect them and the various things students can do or the reporters can do or the lawyers can do to protect the trees. In today's class, we are going to start another topic. And we have some words on the board. What are these words? Okay, let us discuss. Butter, milk, eggs, silk saree and shoes. Butter, milk, eggs, silk saree and shoes. Now tell me students, how are these connected to animals? Is there any connection of these words to animals? Tell me. Yes, you are right. Butter is from cow's milk or buffalo's milk. People make butter with it. Yes, from the milk of the animals. Eggs are also from animals. Okay, like ducks, chicken. How come silk saree? Silk saree is weaved by weavers, right? How come they come from animals? Silk saree, pure silk sarees like the Kanjivaram saree, they are made by the silkworms. The small worm makes a house with its saliva and it forms silk. This silk is boiled and this silk is added. They add color to this silk and they make sarees out of it. I am talking about only the pure silk sarees. Okay, which are made from the silkworm. Okay, the silk which is got from the silkworm. So silk saree is also connected to animals here. And shoes, we wear what PVC foam shoes. Okay, we wear the shoes which are made with resin. How come they are related to animals? Some of the shoes are also made with the dead skin of animals. Dead skin of animals is polished, cleaned and supported by another material and then it is called as leather. Yes, people wear leather shoes, leather belts, bags are made with animals. So butter, milk, eggs, silk saree and shoes are really connected with animals. In today's chapter, we are going to learn how animals are used to earn income, to earn salary. How people keep animals, take care of them and they sell the products which they get from the animals in the market and they get some money in return and so they are making their living. Right? People keep cows, buffaloes in dairy farms. Then the milk which they get from these animals, they sell it in market. They get money in return. People keep honeybees, okay, beehives, honeybees. From that they take out the honey. They sell it in market and get money back. Right? And we already discussed about the silkworms. So now let us learn about how people are making money from the animal products. So our animal wealth, we are getting wealth from animals. So animals also a resource. We can make money from the animals also if we take care of them properly. Right students, let's move forward with the lesson. So here on the board we have a table. There are two columns. Okay, two columns are there. First column we have the names of animals. In the second column we have the things that we get from animals. Okay, in the first column we have the names of the animals. In the second column what products we get from these animals, we have it. So what are the animals here? Cows, buffaloes. What do we get from cows and buffaloes? Okay, here we have milk, ghee, butter and curd. Milk, ghee, butter and curd, okay, from buffaloes. So hens, ducks. What do we get from hens and ducks? Eggs and meat. Camel, how is camel used? The skin of camel, okay, when the camel dies, the dead camel's skin is used in making of tents. Okay, camel's skin is used in making of tents, bags and shoes. The milk of camel is used because cows and buffaloes are available in our locality. We are drinking cows and buffaloes milk. But in deserts, we don't find cows and buffaloes. So people drink the milk of camel. And camel is also used for transport in the desert because of its long legs. Because it can live without water for many days, camel is used as the transport in the desert. Right? So camel is called as the ship of the desert. And yak. What is this animal yak? Yak is like a wild buffalo. Okay? And what do people get from yak? They take milk and it is also used for transport. Fish. All of us know fish. The meat of the fish is eaten and fish oil is taken and used as medicine. Right? These are the animals and these are the products that people get. These products people sell in the market. In return, they get some money. Cows and buffaloes are kept in dairy farm. Hens and ducks are kept in poultry farm. Okay? And fish in fisheries. Right? So, let's move further. And what are the products that we get? We will discuss. We discussed that cows and buffaloes are kept in dairy farm. People take care of these animals. They are given proper water, proper food to eat. Then they are milked. And this milk is taken to the market. People sell this milk in the market. From milk, many other products are made like ghee, curd, butter, cheese, okay, paneer, all such kind of things. So from hens and ducks, we get eggs from hens and ducks, and even the flesh of the hens is eaten as food. And camel is the ship of the desert. Why it is called the ship of the desert? Like in ocean or sea, how people use only the ship to travel. People who live in the desert use camel. Camel is very important. How ship is important in a sea, camel is that important in a desert. So camel is used as a transport in the desert, and camel's milk is also used. How we use the cows and buffaloes milk, camel's milk is used in the desert. And the skin of the camel is used in making of tents, bags, belts. Right? And we have the yak, milk and transport, fish, meat and fish oil. So, while people are taking very good care of these animals to get the products from the animals, sometimes some animals are also harmed. Right? For example, cows and buffaloes are given injections to get more milk. Okay, this injection causes problem to the cows. Okay, the people, in order to get more and more milk, they are giving injections to the cows. So this really harms the cows. And when we take the hens, these hens which ought to be in the poultry farm, they are brought and they are kept in very small cages. They are unable to move at all. If you observe some of the hens near your chicken center or somewhere. So the birds which have to live freely in the nature, they are kept in the small cages. Sometimes people are even doing harm to the animals. So we should be careful about these animals. Right, now let us discuss what is in S1 worksheet. Okay, we'll discuss and then we'll take the homeworks. 2 practice questions and 1 worksheet. Right students, let's move forward. Yeah, before we discuss our homework, students, I have a question. Instead of using the silk sari or leather bags, is there any other option? Instead of using the silk sari and harming the silkworms or the leather bags which are made from the skin of animals, can we use some other thing made out of some other material? Instead of silk sari, we can wear cotton sari. Instead of leather bags, we can use resin bags. Right students? So, let's discuss our homework. S1, animals as a resource. This is your worksheet in page number 10. Page number 10. I will read the questions Animals as a resource, tick the things that come from animals. What are the things that come from animals? You have to tick. 4 options are given. Out of that you have to tick which things come from animals. A. Curd. Curd means dahi, perugu, right? Leather shoes. Newspaper, rasgulla. So among these 4 ones, curd and leather shoes. Okay, curd is from buffaloes and cows. The milk is boiled, heated and set as a curd. Okay, leather shoes are made from the skin of dead animals like buffalo, camel, etc. So curd and leather shoes are from animals. You can put a tick to it. Then write the ways in which people use these animals to earn money. Second question, they have given you pictures of 3 animals. First one is cow, second one is camel, third one is sheep. And they are asking you, how do people use these animals to earn money? Okay, cow, how are we using? People sell the milk of the cows and earn money. Camel, how are people using camel? People use the milk of the camel. People use the skin of the dead camel to make different things. People also use camel as transport and they are getting money. They are earning money. What about the last picture, sheep? The wool from the sheep is cut and sold in the market. With the wool, people make sweaters, blankets, rugs. So they are earning money like that. You can write in that box the same sentences. The third question, write another thing that you can use instead of these animal products. So they have given some products. You have to write, can you use some other thing instead of this? Okay. A. Leather bag. Instead of a leather bag, we can use jute bag. Instead of fish oil, you can use mustard oil or sunflower oil. Okay. Instead of leather shoes, we can use foam shoes. Okay. Instead of milk, we can take juice from fruits, or soy milk is also available. So that was your worksheet S1, students. Write neatly. Then, so home assignment, workbook, finish S1 from page 10. Answer practice questions number 6 and 8. What are these practice questions? Practice question number, it's in page number 116. These practice questions are in page number 116. And 6th question, describe the different ways in which animals help us to earn money. Okay, how are animals helping us to earn money? You can write about all the animals. Okay, in the table we have written cows and buffaloes, their milk is sold in the market. People make ghee, butter, etc. That, looking at that table, you can answer this. Not only cows and buffaloes, you can write about sheep, honeybees. You can write about camel, yak. Okay, how people are using it, what are the products that we get, how are people getting the money, you can write. Then 8th question, we can harm animals or cause them pain when we use them for our needs. Do you agree with this statement? Explain with reasons. Are we harming the animals when we are using the animal products? Think about it. Write 1 or 2 sentences which you can. Okay students, that's all for today. Complete your worksheet. Try to answer the practice questions. Read the lesson twice. Underline important words. Thank you. Have a good day.